Today, I would like to demonstrate how to double space in Google Docs. First, you need to log in to Google Documents using your credentials. After that, if you want to create extra space between two lines, select those two lines, just like I did. Next, you will see three dots at the top. Click on the three dots. A variety of options will appear in front of you. You need to move the cursor over this particular option. Just below this option, it's mentioned below that this option is used for line or paragraph spacing. Click on it. After that, you need to select the option for double spacing. As soon as you select this option, the lines where you wanted to add space between them will be spaced apart. That's the method for using double spacing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.